Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to recover Snapchat sticks. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmin it. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat and then click on this gear icon to the upper right hand corner and scroll down, and you will find this option, I need help. Click on it, and here you have to search for Snaptricks, then click on Snaptricks and scroll down. Then you will find this option. If you feel there was an error, please let us know. Click on this, let us know, and from here select I lost my snap streak and scroll down, and here you have to give your email address, and here you have to give your mobile number. Here you have to include brand, model and model series of your device, and here you have to give your friend's username. When did you start having this issue? You have to give the date, exact date here in this box. How long was your snap streak before it expired? And from here you have to give the answer, give the correct answer. And did you see the filter icon? Click on it, and from here you have to select an option, yes or no. And then what information should we know? Here you have to provide as much detail as possible, such as why you think your account may be hacked or details of the bug you're experiencing. And then you have to click on send. So this was the way we can recover our Snapchat sticks. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmin it. Thanks for watching this video.